Hello everyone. Welcome back to Renee Brown Sugar Kitchen channel. And today I will be eating my cereal, Cheerios, multigrain, strawberries, really good. Yeah, I know, I eat cereal a lot, yeah, but it's really good. And my milk, this is the best milk. You guys ought to try it. Okay. How everybody doing today? I hope everybody's good. And I'm going to be making some brownies, not brownies, some more peanut butter cookies because everybody liked peanut butter cookies and they wanted me to make some more later. So I'm going to make some more peanut butter cookies later. And I'm going to make a pear dump cake. It's called pear dump cake later. So I'll sit here and eat my cereal. Yeah. I got my tea. You all see, I got my tea. And my water, my Hy-Vee water. Yeah, gotta have that water. Yes, you do. I drink water like every day, maybe two or three times a day. I really don't like water because it's so plain, but yeah, I drink water. Okay, just say it great so I can eat the cereal. Amen. Okay, what everybody got planned for today? Well, myself, I'm off for work for a week, and I hate that because I'm missing money, and I have a lot of bills getting piled up. I guess they don't realize people got bills to pay when they work, yeah, but I may be looking for another job because can't depend on this job, and I got a lot of bills piled up. And we have a lot of snow coming to, I think tonight or tomorrow, I'm not sure. But I don't want to be in it. And I told my daughter I'm not driving her to work Saturday or Sunday. And there's a lot of snow out here. I'm not getting out here. Yeah, I'm not getting out here in the snow. So, anyways, she gonna have to catch a cab or a Lyft because I'm not doing it. Okay? And hope everybody be safe if you have to drive in it. I'm not. For nobody. Yeah. So, unless I'm sick, gotta go to the doctor or the hospital or something like that. Or one of my kids or my grandkids have to go to the doctor. I wouldn't get out here then and go in the snow. Even though I don't like driving in it, because last year I almost slid going down the hill, and I'm kind of scared to be driving in snow. So, just sit here and eat my cereal, my strawberry Cheerios, multigrain, and hope everybody be safe. We've got crazy people out here. Yeah. Just watch out, be safe. Make sure you buckle up. Try to do the speed limit. Yeah. And everything will be okay. Okay. So, finish eating my cereal. And yeah. Everybody cooking today. Well, myself, I might eat me a turkey burgers, vegetables, or make me some turkey tacos with some rice. I'm still trying to see, but I made a cake the other day, chocolate cake with cream cheese, icing, and my kids and my old man act like they want to eat it, so I told them, okay, that's cool. I'm not going to make anything else for you guys. So don't complain when I just make stuff for me. You know, this cereal is really good. You guys need to try it. Well, sometimes I eat cereal, sometimes I eat breakfast. But I just can't eat breakfast every day. I only eat breakfast when I'm really, really hungry. Like when I wake up, my stomach is really growling. That's when I really eat breakfast. Yeah, my turkey bacon, my eggs with kale, and maybe some hash browns, or maybe some wheat toast. I might eat that tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to finish eating my cereal. And I will talk with you guys later. Everybody be safe. Have a good day. God bless. Peace.